everybody. This is Norfolk Southern Storm along with
Chaos Mox. Yeah, Sesman 25.
Sorry.
What?
It's your turn. We're doing a video.
Oh, wait, what's my name? Oh, yeah,
That's a good question.
Yeah, who are you?
Radioactive Girl Zero.
NorCal Dude 599.
And final countdown, buddy, 01, because I always manage to go last in these fucking videos.
And FBC Ashland 9467 in a million flipping places here.
Yeah, you're late.
Yeah, so you're not last this time, Nicholas.
Finally.
Nobody will become the outro.
Son of a bitch. Alright.
And, well, it is January 1st, 2021.
No, it's not. It's December 32nd.
January.
Fuck you, Javier. You took my line.
January. It's January.
Find out offer.
You're any of your sass.
It's December 1st. I'm 13.
Again, Nicholas, I declined that offer. Thank you very much.
And, we're gonna start out the new year with this. We got a package. We got.
No, I can't see anything.
It's an unpackaging.
We can't see anything.
Well, it's not. Well, because it's not really a box. It's actually an envelope thing. But we got a radio in here. What radio could that be?
Radio? I thought it was more batteries for you to kill.
And then you have a certain somebody over here who's trying to go gangster mode on.
I'm trying to.
Anyway.
It's not working out for you.
We're gonna get this out. I promise I will not cut myself.
I cannot friggin' breathe in this thing. I don't know why I did this. This was a stupid idea.
I don't know what you're doing over there, but alright. Got tape. We got
Dr.
this.
Pepper Lives Matter.
It's an empty bottle, dude.
Empty bottle lives matter.
And it's right here. It is.
You stand up this time. Thank you.
There we go. It is a RadioShack 12-259.
Yes.
My Dr. Pepper bottle sounds a lot like Javier.
Gee, I wonder why. Because maybe I've taken over that Dr. Pepper bottle of yours.
Yeah. Oh, he's gone.
He's gone.
There, I yeeted him to... I don't know.
He went to Brazil.
Richland
I
County.
yeeted him somewhere.
He went to Brazil.
Yeah, okay, I yeeted him to Brazil. There we go.
Anyway, yep, it is the RadioShack 12-259.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Press button for good luck. And check, make sure there's no batteries in here, because sometimes... Okay, good. Because sometimes people will leave batteries in these things, and it's...
Yeah.
not good.
RadioShack handhelds are known for eating batteries, which is why I would recommend getting a PSP cord.
And I hear the dogs. Go, go!
Random dog interruption.
There goes the dogs.
What is this?
Go, go.
Oh.
Almost 30 minutes left.
No, I'm not a battery killer.
Forza Horizon 4. Don't be fucked up my fucking stupid dad.
Chill out, Boston Orton.
It's It's fucking Taunton.
Easy, Peckerhead. I mean, what?
It's Norton.
It's Norton.
I will slap everyone who fucking says it's Boston Norton. It's fucking Taunton.
It's Boston Norton.
Okay, guys, I'll clear the room right now. Okay, you don't want Boston Norton head ass as your name. Okay, I have a better name. How about Running Snail Simp?
Running Snail Sim.
There it is. Or actually, never mind. Mobile.
Actually, wait, hold on. I think we have a discrepancy over here.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy,
Yeah.
alright.
Since Nicholas said Boston Norton, he has to slap himself.
Friday night, rain, mainly.
What do you mean I said Boston Norton?
We said it again.
Said it there.
Mark said
Alright,
it too, so he had to slap himself too.
so
What kind of body parts are we talking about?
here we go.
Slap yourself across your face, you dingus.
Alright, okay. 30 minutes.
Please excuse
You
the
know,
mess that I
like
have
this.
here.
Ow!
Oh, now you see why I don't slap myself.
That's what she said.
Yeah, here
Swear to God.
here we have the 522 and the 259 right next to each other.
My
They're
bad.
they're pretty much almost the same thing.
A little bit,
Just
but not too bad.
Not
By the
But-
way, what color is that 259?
silver.
Oh, that's right, it's silver. I thought for some
silver.
reason you got the beige.
I
Just
wish
give
I
the base
did.
to Michael.
I
Give
wish.
the base to me. It's the rare version of the 259.
Am I red now?
I mean, yes.
Now you're red.
I mean, I
And
did.
Why am I getting a message saying there is a problem with my OC?
I mean, I did find a beige one on eBay, but I'm not spending $35 on it.
Good move.
Especially with the. Yeah.
With the
With the.
Corrosion on
Yeah.
the battery
The-
terminals.
Yeah, the corrosion of the.
The coronavirus. Okay, I'll stop.
Up, Mox. We're past.
No more.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. COVID
It
20.
was all. It was all rusted out. So yeah. No thanks on that. So. Yep, I got the 259.
Yep.
I think what to set on.
The pressure was 30.39 inches and steady. Elsewhere across the region, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 30 at Zanesville and 25 at Dayton.
No.
At Toledo,
It
it was
might-
mostly
it
cloudy,
might
with
be-
a temperature of 28. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 31 at Akron-Canton Airport, 30 at Ashtabula, 31 at and 30 at Cleveland. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio, at Detroit, it was partly
It is
cloudy,
actually
with a
set
temperature
on
of 22.
WWG
It was
56.
most
And I think I'm going to leave it at that.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say WWG 57.
Nope. 56.
Wait, what channel is it on?
5.
5.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a different station then.
Yeah.
That's Youngstown.
Yep. As
Yeah,
Youngstown.
I know. I picked it up at least one time when I was DXing with my HH.
Whoa.
But yeah,
Okay. I'm definitely
57
gonna.
covered all of my county, and it's on channel 3, which I cannot freaking receive on my radios because it's in a freaking black spot.
That's a giant hoop.
I was just looking at that.
Just like Clay Ranger 143, he's in Mitchell County, but he could barely get any coverage for his own county. He's stuck on KJY 85.
All right. I'm gonna try
And
and.
KHC 27 and WXL. Actually, no, not WXL 70. Just KHC
WNG
27.
538.
Yeah. Yeah. He can get like fucking. Okay, hold up. Let me see. Let me count how many stations he can get. He can get WXL 42 when it's on the air. WXL 56. KHC 27. WNG 538. WXL 70. KJY 85. WXJ 21 if he's in the right spot. And WXK 47. That's 8 fucking stations at once. And he can get WNG 588 up on the freaking hilltop where he lives if he's in the right spot. So that's 9. 9 stations.
Wait, what was the KHC one?
KHC 27.
Remember, he also got KHC 28.
Yeah, but he got through DXing. I'm talking about stations he can get like on a daily basis.
Or like for me,
he
I
get like 9 stations on a daily basis.
On a daily basis, I can only get 2 to 3 stations.
I can get 4, and they all serve my county, which is probably logical compared to what Michael is getting.
Yeah, all 3 of my stations that I get cover my county as well, but not all of it. I can pick up KDO 94 and KHB 97 on channel 1, and then I've got WNG 698 on channel 5.
and for me, I'll share mine in a minute. But yeah, there you go. That's the 259. I am actually gonna put them over here because that was the spot for it.
Did you put it next to the 522?
Yes. It's right. Yep, it's right beside the 522 because they're pretty much twins, just different colors.
Gotcha.
There you go.
Okay, just as a heads up, just so you know, the 259 might actually lock up on you. I've had that happen to mine.
Lock up.
Like the buttons would just not respond, and when you replace the batteries, it would sometimes not power back on.
Oh.
So just be careful of that. My 259 is prone to doing that. But other than that, the 259 is a good radio, despite the fact that it cannot recharge batteries whatsoever.
Oof.
Mood.
Not to mention, it won't even take rechargeable batteries to begin with, so you're pretty much just fucked.
Isn't it the 522 that will take them?
Yeah, the 522 takes them.
Okay.
Alright. But yeah. Yeah?
On a friendly reminder that there is actually a fucking red 259, and my friend Recon EAS actually has it.
Ooh.
And you know what that equals? A triggered Nicholas.
Wouldn't that look similar
I used to
to
always trigger Nicholas of or Moxonite for that matter.
well, wouldn't that look similar to the 522?
Everyone with our version 8s until Nicholas finally got his own.
I mean, they pretty much look like twins. But well, anyway. But yeah, that is my setup. That's my 259. Well, welcome to the family, 259. Along with the Uniden WX500.
Alright, okay, Katie, now that you said Yanadin, I'm taking your 259.
You can get your own. Says the one that has a black and silver.
Ooh.
What's wrong with the black and silver?
What?
Said black and silver has been in my collection for, I want to say, almost 6 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's wrong with the black and silver,
And before the black and silver goes border.
I want a black and silver, gosh darn it.
I'm pretty sure every enthusiast does, Katie.
I know. But, I got this. The HH51.
HH50 what?
51.
Oh yeah, the cow punch.
Yep.
Hey, we also have the 301.
Yep, which is over here. The 301's over here.
Is Michael's still broken, or did he get a new one?
I think he actually fixed it.
Actually, if you watch the WR300 Deluxe review,
Then we got these three.
you will see what happened to his 301.
I also have the pineapple over here. And the WX500 right here, which went off last week for that winter storm warning.
Which Nicholas is also triggered.
Probably.
What happened?
Wait.
Probably the only time.
The WX500 that I used to have, I gave to Katie, and then, like a few days after, it activated for the winter storm warning.
Yeah, that winter storm warning that Cleveland put out, it activated.
Which again, I am fucking triggered.
Don't ask me how went off, but it did. But anyway, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this very devious video of the debut of the 259 right here. And don't forget to subscribe to these guys over here.
Yes, please do.
Get me to 2,000, please.
Now that I think about it, this is my first.
Hey, get me to 2,000 as well.
Hey, get me to 1,000.
Okay.
Now that I think about it, this is probably my first ever appearance on your channel, Katie.
I think it is, yeah.
Sub to me, please.
Hey, well,
Yes.
you know what they say, there's a first for everything.
Sub to my fellow neighbor right here.
Nicolette.
And I say neighbor because he's a couple counties to the west of me.
What's up?
Ohio rules. I mean, what? Or
That gets better. Don't let me.
what's that at you?
What's that at you?
O-H-I-O.
Oh, damn
There
it.
you go.
Do it again.
Okay. O-H.
I-O.
Yes.
Bullshit.
No. Anyway, Happy New Year, everybody. Here's to 2021. Let's see what severe weather brings this year. Will it be an active season? We'll see what happens come March, April, whenever. Maybe Cleveland and or Pittsburgh may see its first high risk. Who knows? But until then, this is Northwest on the Storm, signing out, along with...
Smog, chaotic, crazy.
Yes, that's fan 25. Radio.
I'm going.
Stop pulling an Isaiah.
Radioactive Girl 00.
SPC Ashland Empress 67.
Excuse me.
I thought he was going in alphabetical order.
Excuse me. You skipped me.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what helps when your name is the OG of deviousness.
You do have a point there.
But go ahead, Javier. Go.
I am the OG, and I'm going to slap a certain someone.
Do it. Right here. Come on.
Oh, no.
You just wait till I get back to Ohio.
Okay.
You don't even know where I live, bitch.
Yeah, Ashland County.
What's my address?
I can't give it out.
69,000.
Right, Cox.
SBC fucker.
Okay.
And he's about to go gangster mode again.
And before I get skipped over, ThunderBuddy01, who's currently still raging at Forza because they legit cannot get their fucking shit together, and they just have to make these stupid fucking challenges in the they have to do these stupid fucking challenges, and they pretty much just have to go like oh yeah, let's just torture everyone and make every single rare car this week made only available in the fucking winter.
Hey, that's my job to Forza.
And this rant is brought to you by Dazdex.
It's my job to rant in Forza. I mean, what? No.
You're not you and you're hungry, Nicholas.
Anyway, oh, okay.
That looks wrong in so many ways.
Wait, who are we talking about?
Not me.
Dion, what the fuck are you doing?
He's preparing for his very interesting session.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this.
Is that Opper?
No!
We're gonna end this video before it gets too crazy.
That's what she said.
Happy 2021, bitches!
2021, y'all.
Actually, you guys are all wrong. It's December 32nd, 2020.
No.
No. It's
No.
13/1/2020.
No. No.
No means yes.
And I'll catch you guys next time, whatever the heck it is that we're doing. Until then, have a good night, guys. And stay safe.
Black camera lives matter.
It's December 32nd, 2020. Don't at me.